people outside there. Greeting to you all today. We are here in the site. Inspiretech has brought you to the site where we are doing our piping, full conduit work. Full conduit work means we are doing full conduit from the beginning up to the end. In some houses, we don't do full conduit, we do half conduit. But in a situation like this site, we have to do what we call full conduit. Full conduit, we need to enclose all the cable in our wiring system. All the cable from meter box up to the socket, up to the switch, everything will be fully covered with conduit. So come and we see where the wiring starts, where we start our journey from. In this scenario, in this case, we look at this nearby pole. This is our electric pole from the service cable. The service provider has given us, this is the nearby point. So we look at this, and now we say that's where we shall pick to bring the service cable to our house at the right time. Here, this is our entry point. All the wiring, all the wiring will start from here. All the wiring will start from here to go to different units, to go to different houses. We start our journey from here. The power will travel from here. That means we shall put our meter box here, something big and enclosure that will house all these pipes. Even the earthing will be done from here, everything. So from here now, if we are doing a photo cell or the security, general security light, everything will be planned from this system, and we go to the next place. Come and see the distribution point. So from outside there, where we have picked the power from the meter box or from the entry point, the first place where we go, we shall come. This is our distribution point, where we shall put our DB or the consumer unit, whatever you can call it. This is the distribution point. This is like the first unit. This is the first house, whereby all the supply in this house will be picked from here. Are we going to the socket outlets in the master bedroom? Are we going to water heater? Are we going to serve TV point? Every supply will come from this main switch. So this is the main switch that will take care of this unit. Everybody in this split unit will have something like this, so that when we are doing tomorrow maintenance or whatever we are doing, we only switch off the power of this person. We don't go and disturb the neighbor. We don't go and disturb those people in other places. So this is our main switch for this place. From there, you can see we have brought our point. This is our water heater. Our water heater will get supply from here. If you can see it, now from here, we shall take to the outlet, the water heater. The same thing, when we come to this bedroom, we have our socket right there, waiting for us there. That is our socket. And you can also plan at this time to do a two-way. This is the time to do your two-ways planning. Everything you have to plan it now. Do you want two-ways switching system? Yes, this is the time for you to plan. We have. So this is the pipe that will give us the two ways which we want. We come and we drop our supply here. After dropping the supply, then from here we pick and take to where we are supplying the two-way switching system. Let's go and we see also another place. So this is another unit. We can see, like we have seen in the other first unit, this is another unit, this is another house, still connected to the same system. This is the main switch that will control this house. This will be their bathroom, and yes, you can see our outlet of the water heater has already come, waiting for the wiring to be done later. We have already dropped the provision to where our water heater will be. Of course, we don't put the switch inside here. This is bathroom, so we have to put the switch outside. The switch has to be outside together with the switch for water heater, and that's why we have our switches outside here. And everything has been planned, and you plan it at this time. If you are planning for TV outlet, you plan it now, so that tomorrow you only put the TV. All these pipes shooting outside here, they are telling us that in time to come we shall have security light put here. The security light will be put here. Even you can see round all this will go up to there. You look at the strategic place where the light will be. So this is what we saw from down. All the supply are coming here, and all these shooting pipes here, they will be going to supply the upper unit. All these pipes, you look at how many units do I have in the upper section, so you will have to count and plan for them at this time, so that tomorrow you don't have a difficult time hacking the wall. So from here you can plan as you see. Of course, you try to plan so that tomorrow debris will not enter and block the pipe. So that's why we tie all this, or you put an angle bend, or you put a coupler and you burn it, all in the name of preventing the sun from going there. So these are the main supply, going to supply different units, and that's for this case they're using 32 mm, because the 32 mm will be easy to draw. The guys are here ready to cast their concrete. This one is waiting for our two ways shooting pipe coming from down, waiting for the two-way in the landing place here. So all this place will be filled with concrete today. In the close of the day, this place will be filled with concrete. So when we talk of full conduit wiring, you can see that everything will be enclosed inside. So very soon this place will have a lot of noise when this machine, concrete machine, start running. Like we did the other side, also here we have our pipe waiting to go up. So we see here that all these places are covered with our pipe that will take care of this place, be it security light, socket for the bedroom, and wall brackets, those wall lights. Everything has been planned for at a time like this, because after the casting you will not have access to this place anymore. So as the boys are planning their concrete work, they did it well to bring the mixture up, and from the mixture now they distribute the concretes around, and of course it will be casted today. In the close of the day, this place will be filled with the concrete. So next time you have got this opportunity to do this kind of work, plan from the drawing. The drawing will show you where the door will be, where the kitchen, the cooking place will be, the store, and you plan adequately at a time like this. So inspiretech saw it wise to bring you this idea. If you are yet to join engineering, it's an interesting thing. Join if you have the desire to do the engineering work. You are free. Why not? Come and join the workforce. A lady, a woman, a man is welcome in the field of engineering. Like we did the two-way the other side, this is our two ways dropping to the bed switch. This is our security light. If you follow this pipe here, it will take you to the TV point. This one is coming all the way to the TV, from the TV. So the coaxial cable will come from here and it dropped to the TV point where your television set will be. So you would have helped to plan to see that this place is okay for the TV, and where will the coaxial cable come from the TV service provider. You plan the inlet now. Whatever you want to do, are you planning for the camera? Are you planning for TV? Are you planning for what? You can plan it now. So the machine, the mixer, concrete mixer has started running, and very soon we shall see concrete flowing around, and that is how our work is done. They normally employ many people so that all these things will be done in one day. Yes, they pay and they do it at once, especially in a place where the coverage is not all that much. So now the engineer has planned that they do this in a day, and the fact that they have brought the machine up, that means there will be safety. However, it is advisable for electrician to stay around, at least to make sure these pipes, they are safe. In case of any small damage somewhere, it has to be put right. But when this BRC, whatever they call it, when this BRC has been put, it guards our wire, it guards our pipes from being damaged. This is BRC. after the max span has been put, they normally put this BRC, they sprayed it on top, and they sprayed it all over, and that will ensure the protection of the max span and even our conduit pipes. So the engineer has put all the safety in place. Thank you, and make sure you always check in to see and to watch more of our inspiring video from inspiretech. God bless you. Wish you all the best in your engineering work.